Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome everyone. My name is Ahmad Haris bin ZULKIPLI and I am taking a Bachelor of Degree in Landscape Architecture in International Islamic University of Malaysia. My supervisor for this project is Assistant Prof Landscape Architecture Dr. JASASIKIN bin Abdul SANI. So today, I'm going to present my topical study which is Towards the Walkable Campus, a case study of IIUM campus. As an introduction, related to this topic, I will explain to everyone what is sustainable campus and campus walkability. Sustainable campus, the mobility of the campus users should be categorized as an important element as part of their sustainable campus initiative. Campus walkability is an important component of campus mobility because the users need to have an access to a network of connected, direct and easy to follow routes, linking the hostel, faculties, green space, public transports and other facilities that will enhance their campus experience, which is based on safety, functionality, pleasure and learning. Also, there are a variety of proven health benefits from walking, including it helps to keep you fit and control your weight. It can lower your blood pressure, improve the mood and reduce the stress. Walking also environmentally friendly, such as reducing air pollution caused by motor vehicles which release harmful emissions. Next, for literature review, I have found an important element to achieve the walkable campus. It is the characteristics of walkability. So basically, the characteristics of walkability can be divided into four, which are connectivity, safety and security, accessibility and comfortability. So connectivity is continuity, which arises by proximity and linkage with the other modes of transportation. Next, safety and security will be the best implied and most fully matured aspect of walkability. Moreover, accessibility is a design of products and environments to be usable by all people. And lastly, comfortability as an aesthetic setting of elements in walkway will give the pedestrian a great walking experience. Next, we move to problem statement that I locate around the IIUM campus. So basically, it can be seen that the level of walkability in IIUM campus is getting lower or worse. This is proof by the increasing of vehicles user among the students and staff. It shows that students or staff are likely to use vehicle to reach their destination even within the campus. So regarding the problem, I have decided the aim of the study, which is to improve the level of walkability in the IIUM campus. I also create another three objectives in order to achieve the goal. The first objective is to identify the network accessibility of the walkway within campus, to establish user preference of walkway in campus, and the last objective is to recommend the best design for walkway to improve walkable community in IIUM campus. Okay, let's continue. In order to achieve the goals and objective, three methods have been applied to gather the data related to this study. The methods are literature source, observation, and also questionnaire survey. So, literature source is the method of collecting data through trusted existing data that are already been published by the researcher, such as articles, books, or websites. Before I implement the observation method, there are specific routes have been chosen that are basically can represent the types of walkway connection that are exist in IIUM campus. For observation method, a checklist has been prepared to gather the information during site visit related to the walkway elements and condition, and also the amount of people on site. For questionnaire survey, it was implemented through online survey using Google Form. The survey was delivered to the students and staff that are usually using the chosen pedestrian walkway, same as the walkway I choose for observation method. Moving to the next part. This is the results that can be found after I implement the method. So, for observation method, the walkway elements and condition of selected walkway was found did not meet with the characteristic of the walkway. There are three major conditions that is actually a disadvantage for the user. The first one is a damaged walkway, as shown in the picture 1. The damage is caused by the roots of tree because it is not well maintained by the authority. This condition may be harm the user and should be repaired as soon as possible. The next one is most of the provided pedestrian pathway, there are no provided roof, especially between mahalah and faculty or kuliah. There would be a problem for the students to reach their destination during a raining day. And the last major problem is there are some part of the walkway where it is cut off by the road, but there are no clear signboards for the users and no cross line for them to give awareness. The risk of the student to get involved in accident is very high. Next, regarding the observation about the amount of the people at the selected site, it is actually to see whether the current size of walkway is capable to cater the amount of user at peak hour. So the result found that the routes are already suitable to carry the user even if it's in peak hour. For questionnaire survey, the question was divided into 3 sections. For section A, it is related to respondents' demographic data. It is to make sure the data collected is from the right target so the data is eligible. So from this section, it can be seen that the respondents are basically from staffs and students around age 18 to 40 years old that did not use vehicle in the campus. So the data will be acceptable since it comes from the right person. Next section, which is section B, is about the experience of users using the walkway in IIUM campus. Overall answer about this section, it can be concluded that the respondents are basically feeling safe and comfort using the selected walkway, but it is still not at the highest satisfaction. There are several reasons which they concern the most, such as no roof provided at the pedestrian walkway and the damaged walkway. This part of walkway are urging them to prefer using the vehicles rather than walking within the campus. Next, last section for questionnaire survey. This section is actually to collect users' opinion on how to improve their walking experience while using the walkway in IIUM campus. There are very random answers given by the respondents. However, this section most popular answer was to provide a roof for pedestrians. It is shown that they concern the most about roof elements in walkway design. Another famous response is to repair and manage the walkway that is broken that can reach them while using the pedestrian walkway. To improve the level of walkability around the campus, so first recommendation is to add or maintain or also improve the traffic calming device in the campus. This is to make sure the pedestrians have clear guide and safety guarantee when using the walkway. Second, maintenance of tree planting should be covered. The plant is actually used to be functional to the users, such as provide shades or become a fence. Last one, it is adding a roof in every main pedestrian lane, especially the walkway that connect faculties and college, so they can avoid rain and direct sunlight other than cancel their journey. To conclude my presentation today, the study of walkability in IIUM campus benefit in locating the current condition of pedestrian space and walkway networking condition. The study helps to plan for a better future in order to achieve the sustainable campus and improve the level of walkability in IIUM campus. That's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears and attention. Assalamualaikum.